Hey guys, there is a very common problem in Android phone that all apps keep stopping error. No matter what you do, you can keep stopping error, and we will fix it by three simple steps. Open settings, and once you have find settings, click on that. Here we are looking for apps. Now once you have find apps, click on see all apps, and there we are looking for Google Play services. Now once you have find Google Play services, click on that, and at the top right corner we have this three dots. So click on that and then click on uninstall updates and replace this app with factory version. All data will be removed. So I would like to let you know that data is something related to only Google Play service. So it's not going to remove any game in your phone. So once you do that, just click on OK and see, just restart the phone and see if it's working for you or not. And if it's not, then come back here in Google Play Services and click on that. And here we need to click on this storage and cache and click on clear cache, and this will remove all the cache from your phone. Once this is done, restart the phone and see if your phone is working absolutely fine or not. And if not, then come back here and this time clear storage as well. And once you do that, you will find a new window, and we need to click on this clear all data. Total data used by Google Play services include the search engine and other data.